Dear students, today trigonometric functions of class 11th, chapter 5, R.D. Sharma, exercise 5.3. Question number first. Find the values of the following trigonometric ratios. Some trigonometrical ratios are given. We have to find out their values. Part first, sine 5 pi by 3. We have to find out its value. So this sine 5 pi by 3, we can write sine pi plus 2 pi by 3. If we take the LCM of this, 3 LCM, 3 pi plus 2 pi, again 5 pi by 3. So now this pi plus 2 pi by 3, pi it is radian, which is equal to 180 degree. So pi plus 2 pi by 3, this is, we can read it 180 plus theta. So 180 plus theta lies in which quadrant? 180 plus theta lies in third quadrant. What happens in third quadrant? In third quadrant, tan and its reciprocal cot are positive, other trigonometrical ratios are negative there. So this is sine. So put minus sign first. And in case of 180 degree, there is no change. We have to write sine as it is. So sine pi plus 2 pi by 3 minus sine 2 pi by 3. Again this 2 pi by 3 means 120 degree, and 120 degree we can write 180 minus 60. So minus sine pi minus pi by 3. We can write this pi minus pi by 3. 180 minus 60 is equal to 120. If we take the LCM 3, so 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 3 again. Now again apply the quadrant. This minus sign as it is. Sine 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive, it is sine. So plus sign, and in case of 180 no change, write sign as it is. So sine pi minus pi by 3, we can write sine pi by 3, which is equal to this minus sign, and sine pi by 3 means sine 60 degree, and the value of sine 60 degree is root 3 upon 2. So finally we have got the value of sine 5 pi by 3 is minus root 3 upon 2. Sine 17 pi, we have to find out its value. Part second, sine 17 pi. So sine 17 pi can be written sine 16 pi plus pi. This 16 pi we can write sine 8 times 2 pi plus pi. 8 to just 16 pi plus pi, 17 pi. Now we can apply, since sine n into 360 plus theta, so which is equal to, this n into 360 plus theta lies in 360 plus theta. This n is the number of rotation only, so we can read this 360 plus theta, and 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. What happens in first quadrant? In first quadrant all trigonometrical ratios are positive, so this is plus, and in case of 360 degree there is no change, so n into 2 pi plus theta is equal to sine theta, only. So here sine 8 into 2 pi plus pi is equal to sine pi, is equal to sine pi. For finding the value of sine pi, we can write this sine 90 plus 90. 90 plus 90, 180. So we can read this sine 90 plus theta. and 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive, this is sine, so plus sine. In case of 90 degree, we have to change sine to cos. So sine pi by 2 plus pi by 2 will be cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 means cos 90 degree, and the value of cos 90 is 0. This is the required value of sine 17 pi. Part third, 11 pi by 6. So part third, tan 11 pi by 6. Tan 11 pi by 6. So 11 pi by 6 we can write tan pi plus 5 pi by 6. Take LCM for checking. 6 LCM, 6 pi plus 5 pi, 11 pi by 6. Now this is 180 plus theta, and 180 plus theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan is positive, this is tan only, so plus sign. And in case of 180, no change, so we can write tan 5 pi by 6 only. Tan 5 pi by 6. Tan 180 plus theta is equal to tan theta only. So again, this tan 5 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6 means 150 degree. So 150 degree lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, we can write 180 minus theta. So 5 pi by 6 can be written pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6, take LCM, 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi by 5 pi by 6. So this is 180 minus theta, and 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive, this is tan. So put minus sign first. This is minus. In case of 180 degree, no change, write tan. So tan pi minus pi by 6 is equal to minus tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6, which is equal to this minus sign, as it is tan pi by 6 means tan 30 degree, and the value of tan 30 degree is 1 upon under root 3. This is the required value of tan 11 pi by 6. Part 4th, cos minus 25 pi by 4. Cos minus 20, cos minus 25 pi by 4. So this is minus theta, consider this is theta, and minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Since cos minus theta is equal to minus cos minus, since cos minus theta is equal to cos theta only. So this cos minus 25 pi by 4 can be written cos 25 pi by 4. Now write this in simplest form. So this is cos, divide this 25 by 4, 4 8 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24, so 6 pi plus pi by 4, which is equal to cos 6 pi can be written 3 into 2 pi, 3 to just 6 pi plus pi by 4. We have to write the terms in multiple of 2 pi. Multiple of 2 pi are 360 degree. This, it is in the form of n into 360 plus theta. This n is equal to 3 here, and n is nothing but it is only number of rotation. In one rotation, complete angle is 2 pi. So this 3 is the number of rotation. So this 3 into 2 pi plus pi by 4 will lie in that quadrant in which 360 plus theta lies. So 360 plus theta, 360 plus theta. Here we can read this n into 360 plus theta. This 3 is the number of rotation, or n only. So n into 360 plus theta lies in that quadrant where 360 plus theta lies. So 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometrical ratios are positive. So this is cos. So plus sign. In case of 360 degree or 2 pi, there is no change. So cos 3 into 2 pi plus pi by 4 is cos pi by 4. And you know the value of cos pi by 4 or cos 45 degree is 1 upon under root 2. So this is the required value of cos minus 25 pi by 4. Question number first part fifth. Tan 7 pi by 4. So tan 7 pi by 4. Divide this 7 by 4. 4 1 ja 4. One time. And remainder 3. So this is tan pi plus 3 pi by 4 we can write. Divide the numerator quantity by denominator and add or subtract the remainder. So pi plus 3 pi by 4. Check for LCM. LCM 4. 4 pi plus 3 pi, 7 pi by 4. Now it is 180 plus theta, and 180 plus theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan is positive. This is tan. So plus sign. In case of 180 degree, there is no change. So write tan pi plus 3 pi by 4 is equal to tan 3 pi by 4. This 3 pi by 4 means 135 degree, and 135 degree lies in second quadrant, lies between 90 and 180. So we can write this tan pi minus pi by 4. Check this by taking LCM 4. 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4. Now it is 180 minus theta, and 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign is positive. This is tan. So minus sign. In case of 180 degree, no changes. So tan pi minus pi by 4 is minus tan pi by 4, which is equal to minus sign as it is, and the value of tan pi by 4 or 45 is 1 only. So required value of tan 7 pi by 4 is minus 1. Question number first part 6. Sin 17 pi by 6. So sin 17 pi by 6, which is equal to sin, divide this 17 pi by 6. 6 2 ja 12. So we can write 2 pi plus 5 pi by 6. LCM 6. 6 2 ja 12 pi plus 5 pi, 17 pi by 6. So this is 360 plus theta. This is 360. 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometrical ratios are positive. So plus sign. In case of 360 degree, no change. So sin 2 pi plus 5 pi by 6 is equal to sin 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 means 150 degree, and 150 degree lies in second quadrant. So we can write 180 minus theta. So which is equal to sin pi minus pi by 6. Check 6 LCM, 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi by 6. Now it is 180 minus theta, and 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign is positive. This is sign only. So plus sign. And in case of 180 degree, there is no change. So sin pi minus pi by 6 is equal to sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 means sin 30 degree, and the value of sine 30 degree is 1 upon 2. So required value of sine 17 pi by 6 will be 1 upon 2. Question number first, part 7, cos 19 pi by 6. So cos 19 pi by 6 is equal to cos, divide this 19 by 6, 6 3s are 18. So we can write 3 pi plus pi by 6. LCM 6, 6 3s are 18 pi plus pi, 19 pi by 6. Now we have to solve this 3 pi plus pi by 6. This 3 pi we can write cos 2 pi plus pi plus pi by 6. In this way we can write this, bar bracket we can put here, 2 pi plus pi, 3 pi, and again we will get 3 pi by 6. So this is 360 plus theta, and 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant all trigonometrical ratios are positive. So this is cos, so this is positive, plus sine. And in case of 360 there is no change, so cos pi plus pi by 6. Cos pi plus pi by 6. Again, this is 180 plus theta, and 180 plus theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant tan is positive, this is cos, so minus sine. And in case of 180 no change, so cos pi plus pi by 6 is equal to minus cos pi by 6, which is equal to minus sign, as it is cos pi by 6 means cos 30 degree, and the value of cos 30 degree is root 3 upon 2. This is the required value of cos 19 pi by 6 minus root 3 upon 2. Question number first, part 8, sine minus 11 pi by 6. Sine minus 11 pi by 6 is equal to, read this minus theta, and minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is positive, this is sine. So minus sine 11 pi by 6, it is 11 pi by 6. Now this 11 pi by 6 we can solve. Minus sine, as it is sine, divide this 11 by 6, 6 1 6, so pi plus 5 remaining, 5 pi by 6. Minus sine, as it is sine 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant tan is positive, this is sine, so minus. In case of 180 no change, so sine pi plus 5 pi by 6 is equal to minus sine 5 pi by 6. This minus minus multiplication plus sine 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 means 6 3s are 18, 3 5s are 15. 150 degree, and 150 degree lies in second quadrant. So 180 minus theta we can write sine pi minus pi by 6. 180 minus 30 is equal to 150. Take LCM, 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi by 6. Now this is 180 minus theta, and 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sine is positive, this is sine only, so plus sine. And in case of 180 no change, so this is sine pi by 6, which is equal to, the value of sine pi by 6 means sine 30 degree is 1 upon 2. This is the required value of sine minus 11 pi by 6. Question number first, part 9th, cosec minus 20 pi by 3. So cosec minus 20 pi by 3. So this minus theta, read this minus theta, and minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos and its reciprocal sec are positive. Other trigonometrical ratios are negative there. So cosec minus 20 pi by 3 is equal to minus cosec 20 pi by 3. Now solve this 20 pi by 3, minus sign as it is. This cosec, divide this 20 by 3, 3 6 are 18, so 6 pi, remainder 2, plus 2 pi by 3. Check this by taking LCM 3, 3 6 are 18 pi plus 2 pi, 20 pi by 3, which is equal to minus cosec. This 6 pi can be written 3 into 2 pi plus 2 pi by 3. Now we can read this n into 360 plus theta. So n into 360 plus theta lies in 360 plus theta only. N is the number of rotation. So 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant all trigonometrical ratios are positive. So this minus sign as it is, cosec 3 into 2 pi plus 2 pi by 3, and in case of 180 degree there is no change. Cosec 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means 120 degree, and 120 degree lies between 90 and 180 in second quadrant. So we can write in the form of 180 minus theta. So minus sign as it is, cosec pi minus pi by 3. 3 LCM, 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means 120 degree. Now this is 180 minus theta, and 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. This minus sign as it is, this cosec is positive there. In case of 180, no change. So this is cosec and pi by 3. So this minus as it is, cosec pi by 3 means cosec 60 degree. The value of sine 60 degree is root 3 upon 2. So value of cosec 30 degree, cosec 60 degree is 2 upon root 3. This is the required value of cosec minus 20 pi by 3. Question number first, part 10th. Tan minus 13 pi by 4. Tan minus 13 pi by 4. Read this minus theta, and minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is positive. This is tan. So minus tan 13 pi by 4. Now simplify this 13 pi by 4, which is equal to minus sign as it is, tan. Divide this 13 by 4. 4 3s are 12. So we can write 3 pi plus pi by 4. Check this by taking LCM 4. 4 LCM, 4 3s are 12 pi plus pi, 13 pi by 4. Now this 3 pi we have to write in 2 pi form. So minus tan, this 3 pi can be written 2 pi plus pi by 4. This 2 pi plus pi will become 3 pi. We can put bar bracket here. Now we can read this 360 plus theta. So minus sign as it is, this is 360 plus theta, and 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant all trigonometrical ratios are positive. So this is positive. In case of 2 pi or 360, no change. So tan 2 pi plus pi by 4 is equal to tan pi plus pi by 4. Now this is 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant tan is positive. This minus sign as it is, and tan positive here. In case of 180, no change. So tan pi plus pi by 4 is equal to tan pi by 4. This minus sign as it is, and the value of tan pi by 4 is the easiest value of the world. This is 1 only. 1. So required value of tan minus 13 pi by 4 is equal to minus 1. Question number first, part 11th. Cos 19 pi by 4. Cos 19 pi by 4, which is equal to cos Divide this 19 by 4. 4 4 ja 16. Remainder 3. So 4 pi plus 3 pi by 4. Check this by taking LCM 4. 4 LCM 4 4 ja 16 pi plus 3 pi 19 pi by 4. Now this 4 pi cos this 4 pi we can write 2 into 2 pi. 2 pi multiple of 2 pi. 2 pi. 2 into 2 pi plus 3 pi by 4. Now this is n into 360 plus theta. N into 360, n is number of rotation only, showing the number of rotation. This 2, this is basically 360 plus theta. And 360 plus theta and n into 360 plus theta is the same. So 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometrical ratios are positive. So this is plus. In case of 360, there is no change. So cos 2 into 2 pi plus 3 pi by 4 is equal to cos 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means 135 degree, and 135 degree is greater than 90 but less than 180. So 180 minus theta we can apply. Cos pi minus pi by 4. 4 LCM 4 pi minus pi 3 pi by 4. Now 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. Other trigonometrical ratios are negative. This is cos, so minus sine. In case of 180 degree, there is no change. So cos pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4, which is equal to minus, and cos pi by 4 value of cos 45 degrees 1 upon under root 2. So 1 upon under root 2. This is the required value of cos 19 pi by 4. Question number first, part 12th. Sine 41 pi by 4. Sine 41 pi by 4 is equal to, divide this 41 by 4. Sine 4 10 ja 40, 10 times, so 10 pi plus pi by 4, remainder 1, so pi by 4. LCM 4, 4 10 ja 40 pi plus 1 pi, 41 pi by 4. Now this 10 pi we can write sine 5 into 2 pi, 5 to the 10 pi plus pi by 4. So this n into 360 plus theta, n into 360 plus theta lies in n into 360 plus theta, and 360 plus theta is the same thing. N is the number of rotation only. So this is 360 plus theta, and 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all the trigonometrical ratios are positive. So this is plus. In case of 360 degree, there is no change. So 5 into 2 pi plus pi by 4 is equal to sine pi by 4. And the value of sine pi by 4 means 45 degrees 1 upon under root 2. This is the required value of sine 41 pi by 4. Question number first, part 13. Cos 39 pi by 4. Cos 39 pi by 4. So this we can write cos, divide 39 by 4. 4 9 ja 36. 9 pi plus remainder 3, so 3 pi by 4. Check this. 4 LCM 4 9 ja 36 plus 3 pi 39 pi by 4. This 9 pi. So 9 pi we can write cos 8 pi plus pi. First write this 8 pi plus pi plus 3 pi by 4. 8 pi plus pi 9 pi plus 3 pi by 4. And this 8 pi we can write cos 4 into 2 pi plus pi plus 3 pi by 4. Now we can put here bar bracket over this pi plus 3 pi by 4. Now it is n into 360 plus theta. So n into 360 plus theta, and 360 plus theta is the same thing. This n4 is the number of rotation only. So 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant all trigonometrical ratios are positive. So this is cos, so plus sign. In case of 360 degree no change, so write cos pi plus 3 pi by 4 only. Here again cos 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant cos is negative, tan is positive, there put minus sign. In case of 180 no change, so this is cos 3 pi by 4, cos 3 pi by 4. So cos pi plus 3 pi by 4 is equal to minus cos 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means 135 degree, and 135 degree is greater than 90 and less than 180. So in second quadrant, so minus cos, we can write 180 minus theta form, pi minus pi by 4. Check this by taking LCM 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4, which is equal to this minus sign as it is. Cos 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sign is positive, this is cos, so minus. In case of 180 no change, so this is cos, minus cos pi by 4. This minus minus plus cos pi by 4, and the value of cos pi by 4 is 1 upon under root 2. This is the required value of cos 39 pi by 4. Question number first, last 14th part. Sin 151 pi by 6. Sin 151 pi by 6. Write this. Sin 25 pi plus pi by 6. Check this by taking LCM 6. 6 into 25, 150 pi plus pi, 151 pi by 6. Now this is, write this 25 pi first, 24, write this 25 pi first, 24 pi plus pi. Sin 24 pi plus pi, this is 25 plus pi by 6. Now this 24 pi we can write sin 12 into 2 pi, 12 to the 24, plus pi plus pi by 6. Put bar bracket here, pi plus pi by 6. Now it is 12 into 2 pi plus pi by 6. So we can read this n into 360 plus theta. N is equal to 12 here. So n into 360 plus theta, and 360 plus theta is the same thing. N is the number of rotation only. 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant all trigonometrical ratios are positive. So this is sign, so plus sign, plus. In case of 360 degree no change, so sin pi plus pi by 6. Pi plus pi by 6. This is 180 plus theta, and 180 plus theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant tan is positive, this is sin. So minus 180, in case of 180 no change, so sin pi by 6. Sin pi plus pi by 6 is equal to minus sin pi by 6, which is equal to this minus sign as it is. Sin pi by 6 means sin 30 degree. The value of sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2. So this is the required value of sin 151 pi by 6. So all the 14 parts of question number first we solved. The remaining questions of this exercise we will see in next class. Okay, bye.